So, you want to play League of Legends and not sure how you can get that. The solution I want to propose to you is to download the game through Riot Games. Riot Games is you can easily create a Riot Games account, guys, by head over to riotgames.com. And once you create your account, they have some free options within the list here that you can go ahead and install on your PC or laptop. And so once you create your Riot Games account, you can go ahead and just go to where it shows Riot Games, click the drop down here. It will expand, and on this section here, you have games. And so right here, you have, for example, the League of Legends. You click on that and see you have the option to play for free. So go ahead and click play for free. And here you can download for Windows or you can download for Mac. So you click download for Windows and immediately it started download. And so once this is download, you can go ahead and open up that and it's going to go ahead and now start to install on your computer. Well, I'll show you in a moment that it's going to start. So here you can see it says install and you just want to go ahead and click on install. It require 1 gigs as you can see right there. And yeah, once that is installed on your computer, then you can play the game without no problem, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and click yes right here, and you will see that it's gonna ask me to allow. So I'm gonna say allow right here, and right away you will see in a moment here you can see that it takes me over to Riot Games where I need to sign in. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in directly, as you can see. Click open Riot Games client. And here you see that I can now go ahead and, basically scroll down to accept those terms. You need to scroll down right here, guys, then click on accept. And so here you have the option to install. So you'll click the install right here. And keep in mind that you need to ensure that you have the necessary space on your PC. So you click install, you ensure that you choose your location where it's going to go. You click and install, and right away you will see that it will start to install on your PC, right? So as you can see, say installing right here, preparing, and you can continue to install this. Once this is done, guys, you will be able to play the Leagues of Legends on your computer, right? So just keep that in mind. That's really all that you have to do with this, guys, if you want to play Leagues of Legends. And yeah, while I will not keep this tutorial too long to wait for it to install, you can see clearly that it's preparing to install. It will install on the computer, and I will be able to play League of Legends without any problem. You can play it for free directly on this. So that's it. Pretty much all there is to it, guys. As you can see right here, it started to install, right? And you can see right here, it process starts, so you don't have to worry about that. It will work 100%. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.